Well, it is Wednesday and I am back in the office. I was in Philadelphia this morning representing a client. Now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey, getting ready to see some clients in the afternoon session. Tomorrow, I will be in Cape May County, New Jersey, and then wrapping up the week in Delaware County, Pennsylvania. On Tuesday, I was in Monroe County. So doing a lot of driving this week, as is the usual for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. With that said, came out the blog article today regarding compassionate release in New Jersey. Now, typically, our law firm is representing people who've been charged with crimes in either Pennsylvania or New Jersey, and we're representing them at either a pretrial hearing, like a motion to suppress, or a preliminary hearing, or a pre-indictment conference in the case of New Jersey, or at trial. In addition, we sometimes represent clients on appeal or post-sentence proceedings, and that is the majority of our practice. Now, with that said, the compassionate release program is for someone who's been convicted of a crime and typically serving a very, very long state sentence, but unfortunately, after that sentence was imposed, they developed some type of life-ending condition or illness. And the point of that article is to lay out who is eligible for the program and who is not eligible for the program. Now, with regards to eligibility, it has to be a terminal illness or a condition which renders the person permanently incapacitated in such a position that they require 24-hour care. And those are the requirements. Now, that being said, even if a person meets the eligibility requirements, there is still a legal process. It starts with a submission of an application to the state prison. Then two doctors have to certify the person is eligible. And then once that is done, the lawyer who's representing the individual has to file a petition with the court in New Jersey that where that person was convicted and sentenced. And then the judge makes a determination after providing the prosecutor's office and the family of the victim in the case of, say, a homicide, or the victim who is perhaps still alive, that victim will have the opportunity to address the court, or the victim's family have the opportunity to address the court, and then the court make a decision. So it's not a process where it is simply a letter to a judge saying, hey, the person is sick, let them out and let them complete their, or unfortunately, let them release them from state custody and allow them to be with their families in the final months, if not weeks, in some cases, of their life. So it is a program that is available in New Jersey. I put up the blog article because we often receive questions about it. And the point of the blog, like my videos, my books, my newsletter, my podcast, is to present answers to questions that we receive both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Now, with the podcast, I bring in attorneys from outside of the criminal defense world to talk about their practice in the areas of immigration, civil rights, personal injury. And next week, we'll be talking with an employment lawyer about employment issues. So these are all important things that we bring up to our clients and our families. But the point is, we do it because we believe that an educated person, an educated client, is in the best possible position to receive a great result in the case. Now, remember that you hire an attorney because of their advocacy skills and their knowledge in an area, but it's important that when you hire a lawyer, you remain active in your case with regards to what's going on. And we keep clients updated continuously, and we make ourselves available as much as possible. But we also provide a lot of information at no additional cost through our newsletter, through our blog. So if you want to get to know our law firm, I ask that you look at our blog in addition to all of our downloadable forms. They're all available on gambleandlaw.com. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambleandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because we understand that a criminal case can happen at any time, at any place, and we make ourselves available. So if you have questions, once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Wednesday. Have a great evening. And I'll talk to you all very soon.